beautiful. That's beautifully done. Ooh, yes. Nice car. Hell yeah. Hello, ladies and gents. We are here at Ducati New York City looking at the all-new Monster. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as I'm cruising in Brooklyn, New York once again. This time, however, my mission is super fun. My mission is super exciting, as it involves going to Manhattan, to Ducati New York, to go see the all-new 2021 Monsters, 950s, 938s, whatever the hell you call them. Who knows what you call them. But yeah, long story short, they are out and they are available in the stores. Oh, look at that Beamer, that's cute. And they're available in stores, and I do have a little surprise prepared, which I was hoping that it happened sooner than later, but it's totally fine. Anyway, yeah, long story short, I'm gonna go check out this Monster. Unfortunately, it's 1 p.m. on a Friday, and traffic is ripe. Right now, it's telling me it's gonna take me freaking half an hour to go like 2 miles, which is very unfortunate. But we are going to split just a little bit, make up just a little bit of time, because I can't possibly just be completely stuck behind everybody now. You know what I mean? We're gonna go to Williamsburg Bridge and then pop over to Manhattan. I don't know. Today I'm very anxious. A very anxious day today, so I can't really. I wanted to go for a ride as part of this like therapeutic therapy of sorts. So that's what I'm doing. But I do want to take it easy. I'm not trying to lane split like a savage or anything like that. Tomorrow morning I'm going upstate nice and early. That's going to be exciting. All these people are staying on BQE, but I'm heading to the left to Williamsburg Bridge to Manhattan. Trying to decide, because I will possibly have an opportunity to do a demo ride on the bike. Not today, obviously, but just in general. So I like, as much as I want to do like a walk around right now, I don't know if I need to. But I might do it anyway. Just don't want to cause a scene at the fair Ducati New York dealership now, you know. Don't want to cause a scene. This right here is super bumpy all the time. Look at Manhattan, gorgeous town of Manhattan, gorgeous borough, not really town. I did want to catch up to this bike to see who it was. Curious. My boy is not even gonna look, is he? Get special, get extra, get spicy. Not too spicy, just a little bit spicy. Just a medium spice. Here we go. Okay. There we go. Speed camera. Am I going too fast? I don't think so. All right. Here we are in Manhattan. Is this vlog informative on any level at all? Highly doubt it, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay. It's okay to not always be informative. I should have cleaned my bike though. It's funny. I'm literally showing up to a Ducati New York dealership on the dirtiest bike there. Fact. All right, well, have fun getting a red light ticket, dummy. Oops. We're 1 mile away. So this right here is Bowery, and this right here is Delancey. So yeah, it's not so bad. Beautiful. That's beautifully done. Ooh, yes. That sounds pretty fucking good, bud. I like that. I like that. Nice. This baby definitely rambles and rocks and rolls. I kind of miss living in Manhattan. Look at all this. Look at this beauty. Motorcycles too. I mean, look. What the fuck, man? It took me like 5 minutes to get here from Brooklyn. Hilarious. Hilarious. Let's see if this guy does some rappies for us. It's possible. Broadway, nice and cute. There we go. have to do a loop-de-loop because apparently can't make a left there. Here we go. Didn't make this light. We'd have to wait. Can only imagine what kind of big fat boy they're building right here. I mean, I see the work in progress thing, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me just keep calm and collected, and yeah. Nice car. Hell yeah. Dope. What year is it? It's freaking awesome. I love it. Nice. That was a cute car. Look at this city. Look at all this. How can I ever be cranky or depressed? Well, some dude was making fun of me in the comments, being like, yo bro, if you think you're special, you're not. And your so-called vlogs are stupid. And I was like, I mean, thank you for your feedback, bro. You're not wrong, you know what I mean? You're not completely wrong. You're not completely off. All right, well, here we go. This is the Ducati place. Hello, ladies and gents. We are here at Ducati New York City looking at the all-new Monster. First impression. So, not gonna get to ride it today, but hopefully in a few days I will. Beautiful. Make sure I'm recording. Yep. So, first impression, I like it.